This is Fitz. And we're going to do some tricks once he lets go of his toy. Right? Okay. Sit. Fitz. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Now you get your toy. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Look at those eyes. Fitz. Hey. Come here. Come here. Okay. Sit. Okay. Sit. Okay. Paw. Paw. Good boy. Come on. Sit. Sit. Fit. Sit.